Welcome back to another episode of Minute with Ted Family Edition. My name is Ted Hockenberry, Chief Executive Officer here at Children of America. And if you're new to COA, welcome to the family. This month, our classrooms are exploring the theme, Our Five Senses, while focusing on our moral of the month, which is friendship. Through hands-on activities, children are learning how they experience the world, what they see, hear, touch, smell, and taste, and how friendships help make those experiences even more meaningful. At COA, friendship is about connection, trust, and feeling supported, and that's true for families too. And as always, be sure to stay until the end for a special photo montage featuring moments from classrooms across Children of America. February is all about connection and learning in friendship and how we partner with families. You may have noticed a recent change in how we're communicating. We're intentionally going back to the basics by focusing more on face-to-face conversations and personal connections with families. So expect more communication at drop-off, pickup, and more cubby flyers. This is a pretty big change. So while we understand the digital tools are still part of our day, nothing replaces meaningful in-person communication. These conversations allow us to better support your child, answer questions in real time, and strengthen the partnership between home and the school. School-level messaging and announcements will be discontinued. This also means that teachers and directors will no longer have the direct message capability through the app. But what about school closures, weather delays, or unexpected early releases? Great question. The COA team will continue to use Caneboo for similar time-sensitive updates in collaboration with the regional teams. This change does not affect daily sheets though, and classroom storytelling, ensuring you can still enjoy highlights from your child's day. Be sure to pick up the first of many cubby flyers coming your way. This one is an FAQ on everything Caneboo communication. You may also start to notice some exciting updates coming soon. COA is launching a refreshed website and updated brand experience designed to better reflect who we are, how we support families like you, and the value we bring to the communities we serve. While some of these changes are happening behind the scenes, our commitment remains the same. Of course, that is providing high quality care, meaningful learning, and strong partnerships with families every single day. We'd also like to share an important scheduling note for this month. COA schools will be closed on President's Day for Professional Development Day, which also coincides with our semi-annual Milestone meetings. These meetings are an important opportunity for teachers to connect with families and share insights into your child's growth and development. Over the years, we've really doubled down on our efforts to strongly encourage families to attend these meetings, and here are a few important reasons why. Number one, you pay for educational childcare, guys, not daycare. That means teachers are documenting your child's growth as they prepare for elementary school. Number two, these meetings allow us to align on your goals for your child and address areas of opportunity. And then the last one, Milestone meetings are far more in-depth than any conversation you're having at pickup and drop-off. That's a common excuse that I hear from a lot of families for not attending. These meetings are deep dives into your child's developmental growth, where they are strong and where they can improve, and how we can work together to achieve desired outcomes. This will be our second time hosting these meetings when the school is closed based on feedback from you about convenience. So please make sure your child's Milestone meeting is a priority. Your school team will share specific details for your location, and if you're unable to attend one of these meetings on Professional Development Day, please reach out to your school to arrange a makeup meeting. Now for everyone's favorite part of Minute with Ted, Family of the Month. This month's Family of the Month is the Morris family from COA Cinnaminson in New Jersey. The Morris family joined Children of America because they were looking for a safe, enriching environment for their children, and were drawn to COA's Apple a Day nutrition program, camera access, and that really cool splash pad we have at Cinnaminson. Since then, they've become deeply immersed in the COA Cinnaminson community. They are true school cheerleaders, always willing to lend a helping hand, from volunteering at events to consistently supporting classroom needs. The Morris family has generously provided books, toys, and extra clothes to ensure that every child is cared for and prepared. We're incredibly grateful for the way they show up, not just for their own children, but for the entire school community. Thank you, Morris family, for being such a meaningful part of the COA family. And as a small token of our appreciation, we'll be gifting you either a free week of tuition for your children or a $250 gift card to a popular retail of your choice. February is a month of friendship, connection, and discovery, learning through our senses and growing together through relationships. Thank you for being part of the COA community and for trusting us to be a part of your child's journey. We're grateful for the partnership we share and look forward to another month of learning, growth, and joyful moments. We'll see you next month for another episode of Minute with Ted, Family Edition.